In today's video, I'm going to start the process of making the diff housing into a pass-through housing with my limited and custom made tools, just to show you don't need expensive machines to achieve the same outcome. So we'll be going from this to this.
Oh, they're shit, aren't they? These ones at the top.
That's how you tell a 9-inch for an 8-inch.
Right.
You can't get a socket on if it's a 9-inch. 8-inch you can.
Oh, right. We should probably keep that information in this video, I think. That's interesting to know. Did not know that. Have they actually stopped making the 9-inch Ford?
Yep.
Yeah.
Reproduced by now.
Oh, yeah.
Good enough. Right. So, now, on the Ford 9-inch, the pinion has a spigot on the back. This part of the housing's broken on here, but otherwise you'd have to feed this through there first before putting this in, but I can cheat.
Need something?
Right, so what I've done here, I was trying to work out how I was going to do this, but I'll just put a bolt in here, stop this thing moving around. Right, that'll do, this one will do.
Gotcha.
Right, now, on here, got myself racking my brain here. I didn't want to put this in the lathe machine it down because I use it for other jobs. So what I come up with was a good old trusty hydraulic clamp, a bit better than a bit of rubber hose. Jam this socket in there halfway, put it on the shaft. Right. Just another one of those times you got to think outside the box. So, and now I can drive it with this. Like, it's pretty long, but hey, we're all about just making it get done. So, I'll just sit here. Must be getting close to coming through at the
Starting
top.
to bite now, is it? Oh, that's hot. Yeah, it's coming through. That is hot. That is heavy. Careful we don't weld it. Bit grippy. Nothing just yet. But it's getting real hot on the surface, so we should be getting there. Because I can get a pretty good zoom in on the coming out.
The breakthrough.
Yeah, the breakthrough. No, I can turn it on when you're ready.
Yeah, right. We good?
Yep.
Right.
And that's been going since, so we're ready to go. That's fine.
That'll be hot, mate.
Just a bit. I'm gonna wire a bit there.
Know whether to put emery cloth on there and bite it into the shaft. That's the whole can pretty rough, right?
Oh, that's smooth as.
Now let's just get hot.
We're about halfway.
Ooh, it's really hot.
Maybe just slightly over halfway. But that's made a big difference.
I've still got more before. I might be able to cut the whole lot out
I reckon you could.
with the depth of the hole saw.
Yeah.
Sometimes, you might have to cut through here
Oh, okay.
so that bit in there is not sticking in the back of the thing, stopping it.
Yeah.
Now we make this shit happen.
Bloody oath. Go get making shit happen done on one of them shirts. Oh, you're so close.
Yeah, so that amount of smoke's not meant to come out of this.
No. Your ingenuity knows no bounds.
I guess my little guess was a bit out.
And if you guessed with none, congratulations. You've done this before.
No, I've got it in line. Look, I've got it in line that way.
Yeah. Looks good.
Looks like I might know something.
Is it going to make a difference though that it's on the rib?
No, it's just going to come out round.
Right,
It's going to oval
yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
See where it's round there and then long there. Or I'll just go round like that.
Yeah.
Righto.
Yep.
Yeah, give me a bit more.
I think 4 might be correct. God, that's smooth as.
Not far away.
Not far away, no. I go get a battery.
Yeah, righto.
Well, I'm going, because it's coming in now. As long as I come back. Yeah, you started to tip all that one, yeah. There you go. Like we're done, after this cool down.
Definitely on fire. Have to chew that bit. Right, watch yourself. Oh, go over forward. What am I doing? Load you. How's that, eh?
Yeah. Yep. It's been good.
That's not right. That's long. That's long. Short. This way.
Then that means your whole fucking...
What about it? Yeah.
Not going straight through?
That's where the crown wheel is on that side.
Right.
So
the gearing...
So one axle, right, the crown wheel, that's the center.
So they sort of go like this.
Yeah, and look, see this cross here?
That's where the second one
down
goes.
here somewhere.
Right, yeah.
Is there? Is that hole?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah,
Look over there.
Yeah.
Look, see there? Look, see that?
Yep, I do, yeah.
Right, so it's a guesstimation. But now,
you could use that scoring tool.
no. Fuck, which short axle? It's the short axle, I think.
Got a tape measure there if you need them short.
I got a tool.
You are a tool. Right.
See? Look. I'm not going to reach. Hang on.
Yeah, that's within margin of error.
No margin, no error. Got it?
If you say so.
How about that, those of you who tell me I'm wrong? Those who say you can't do it, but it seems to be doing, doesn't it?
It does.
So there you go. Perfection. Right. Yeah. What a tool.
Perfect.
Can't show you how I made this tool. CAD.
Trade secret?
No, didn't film it.
Yeah, true.
I winged it, and I winged it pretty good. But anyway.
As you would.
Excuse me. So yeah, we're getting a differential built. If this helps you make it, break it, or fix it, you're welcome. And if you want to join me on my journey, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell. Drop a like, and comments are always welcome. So let's make shit happen.